Hi, how have your pandemic days been? Tell me what you did.
Hello, in days so confined, I begin to remember the way to be classes. I too, when I was well used all, I going to practice on the whole tutorial like all time. And you, Jose? Tom.
Hello girl, this day of pandemic I am going to make a new recipe of meal that I never imagined to cook myself. I hope to be easy and good. Madeline, tell me.
I'm going to resume my exercise because I've eaten a lot this day, and I'm going to start with an aerobic class.
I am glad to know everyone is doing new thing.
Igual to pray some to talk to your friends.